Good afternoon and welcome to your next car. Wasim here on our YouTube channel, bringing you a quick walk around video of this lovely 520DM Sports Saloon we've just had in. 2017 car. This was previously sold by us in 2019. The owner had it for around 2 years and has just traded in for a newer car. So absolutely beautiful condition. Full BMW service history. It's just been serviced. I'll talk you through the condition and the spec as well as showing you the condition, and we'll go through the service history. So we've given you as much knowledge as we have of the car. We understand that with click and collect and delivery, it's not like it was before, but we're trying to give you as much information as we can. Let's take a look around. Xenon headlights to the front. Beautiful gloss grills. We've got this colour-coded 3-piece splitter at the front. So the bottom lip is colour-coded, and then we've got the middle slats, as they're called, the gloss black. They match the gloss black 20-inch wheels, which are brand new with brand new tyres. Got the double vinyl sticker on this, so the top one is removable if you don't like it, but I think it goes really well with the car. It's sweeping, it goes all the way through. Privacy glass, rear spoiler, front and rear parking sensors. Again with the rear diffuser. The lower section is colour coded. Very unique look. Let's take a look at the boot. Original set of mats, huge loading area. Let's take a look at the inside. All electric windows, electric mirrors, part electric seats. We've got black leather with the white piping. Being an M Sport, it's got the 3-spokes M Sport steering wheel, cruise control, automatic headlights. Got the new digital dash, which is a great feature. Got the touchscreen navigation, widescreen professional nav, Bluetooth phone, DAB, media playback. Let's take a look at the service history. Next oil change is 19,000. As I said, it's just been serviced. Full BMW right the way through. Ambient lighting just going across there, which you can change the colour on. Isofix rear bench, rear centre armrest. Really well kept car. HP and PCP available. Part exchange welcome. Thanks very much for watching. Thank you.